Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about GTC token Gitcoin, that what's going on in the Gitcoin, what's the price, what's the latest update of Gitcoin. Let me show you. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe now for more news and update videos. The currently latest price of Gitcoin GTC token is about 17.90 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Gitcoin in the market. And other side, if we talk about the changes update of Gitcoin, so 13.24% positive changes, sorry, negative changes over the Gitcoin. But guys, you know what, I'm very excited to see these negative changes, and I believe about that. Guys, don't worry, now I believe that the changes is going negative for 1 day, for 2 days, guys, but after 5 to 1 week, guys, after 1 week you found Gitcoin completely in the profit, guys, completely. So don't worry, guys, now they're completely going in the lows. And you know what, there is a simple rule of cryptocurrencies market that after falls there is a jump. So now Gitcoin is completely in the lows, completely in the falls. So guys, it's a patience time, it's a holding time. Now from a price chart, it's also clear, guys, you can see here that from a long time Gitcoin are going in the lows completely. But guys, they have to be the price pump. That is a temporary dump, guys, for 3 or 4 days, and after these days the price will again start positive changes. So just hold for a long time, hope it will give you profit, guys. But remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want buy, sell or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching.